Order.
Reaching high, it reminds us of the sacrifices of countless heroes who fought for our freedom. To enlighten us further with his words of wisdom, I now invite our respected chairman, Dr.Raju to share his message.
The school captains, teachers and my dear friends and parents. Today we are celebrating the 78th birthday of India's independence. It is not achieved on a fine morning. 100 years of struggle, the patriotic Indians were done to get the freedom. Many were killed by the British Army, and still we didn't come back. We fought for the freedom. It was under the leadership of 78 years. India was fast growing. When we got independence, we didn't have enough food. There were a lot of deaths without food in India. Our first Prime Minister Nehru even to America to beg